Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the VULCAN Report. This end of day report is for trading on Monday, August the 15th, 2016. This end of day Bitcoin review, as you can see so far, the Bitcoin, it's still in the red, it's still weak. But as of today, it's showing signs of possibly slowing down. Looks like it may want to come up here and test this resistance here at this 589 level. We'll have to wait and see, but 600 is a strong resistance for the Bitcoin right now. It's taking it on the chin, moving in tandem with the US dollar. Currently, Bitcoin's trading around $564.82, and just like the US dollar, it's showing signs of flattening, but it's still weak nonetheless. Take a look at your volume here. You can't ignore that. It looks like 460 could be in play if we do take out the current 556 support, and it's looking like it's a pretty weak support. So once we get down to about the 550 area, I think that's when you can see the price action to the downside accelerate, and that's not a good thing if you're bullish the Bitcoin. It depends on your point of entry and where you entered at this point, though. You do want to protect profits, and you would have gotten out. First alert was here, second alert here, last chance was here. So right now, this is where you are. If you are on the sidelines looking to get back in, you're going to have to wait until this market powers up again. And as long as it's trading in tandem with the US dollar, that's probably not going to happen. Okay, switching our focus now to the US dollar, looking at the dollar futures. As you can see here, it's having some problems here, staying flatline, staying at this higher level, and it's having problems at the bottom of the Kumo cloud, just as predicted. And it's understandable, although it's in a positive pulse wave, it is losing momentum to go to the upside. It's losing rally momentum. And each day that goes by that it hangs out at the bottom of this Kumo cloud, it's setting itself up for a major fall. So with that being said, where are we right now as far as we're looking? 94.94 is still support. Once broken, this market will see itself in free fall. And yes, the Fed will be forced, its hand will be forced to come in and prop up the US dollar once again. So right now, 94.94 on the weekly chart. All right, switching over to the cash side of things, looking at the equity side, ticker symbol UUP. You can see here, this one is well supported at 24.36. Right now it's at 24.71. Same scenario, starting to pull away here. The trend line's starting to separate. That's downward pressure that's building here. Still relatively flat on the momentum side, but again, this Kumo cloud is providing strong resistance for the dollar right now. That's why Bitcoin isn't moving anyway. As well, it's because this dollar is holding things down, holding everything at bay. And so you will see commodities continue to lift as this dollar is weakening. At least that's the way it's supposed to go, but with the Fed intervening soon, you know, pretty much anything goes at this point. So with that said, meet you over at the metals video. But for now, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And by the way, FYI, I want to welcome all the new subscribers. And for those of you who missed the interview on the SGT report, go on over there to that channel and then check out that report. It was a really good interview, and I look forward to going back there. Kind of reminds me of the good old days with Charlie McGrath on the Wide Awake News show. It was awesome, and I miss it, but it was good to be back. On the radio on air again. Also, I thought it was rather comical, man. I can't believe it. Some people thought that I was some other dude who I never even heard of before. So I thought that was rather comical. But I mean, I guess I should be flattered. I don't know. But keeping it real, I'm not him and he ain't me. I keeps it real. Those of you who've been with me for a minute, you know that I'm a DC dude, so we keep it real. I don't know how other people do things in other areas, but I don't have time for games and playing around. So I try to stick to business. I try to use a little bit of humor when I can, but I don't play around. Those of you who know me, I don't play games. So no, this other person is not me, and I ain't him. And I'm sure I'm a lot more handsome anyway than he is. But you'll never see my face, so it don't matter. Um, I'm gonna do a Q&A because I've gotten just so many questions, and I would like to take the time out to deal with them. So I will try to do a Q&A video addressing some issues, concerns. Some of the questions are really good, so I'll go into it. I know one of the well, I'll save it for the Q&A. Anyway, see you on the other side. Peace out.